What's up, guys? It's your boy Anthony, aka Legacy Works. Today we are at a SoCal DSM meet. Usually I'd expect it to be a little more packed, but people are just fashioning to be late. So we got all the DSMs right here. This is my Evo. This is the homie Marquez. Got another one here. Then a blue one here. And then we got Miguel DSM here. I think it's pretty clean. Got another DSM here. And we have another Evo over there. So yeah, dude, so the meet's already like an hour in. So people are, I'm guessing, are just late. So we'll see how good it turns out.
A few moments later.
Sheesh. That thing is clean, yo. Famous Miguel DSM, bro. Sick ass food. That's clean. Woo. That thing is nice. Look at that. That thing's clean, dude. Sheesh. Famous Miguel DSM.
What's up, man? Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, Anthony.
Anthony, nice to meet you, bro. You vlogging or what?
Yeah, a little bit. Doing a little bit of vlogging today, man. What's up, bro? Bro, I've never met a celebrity before, bro.
Nah, I'm not a celebrity, bro. I'm just like, oh, yeah.
That's why we get on nervous.
Nah, I'm just playing, G.
I'm all shaky, look. Nah,
Oh, tell him, my guy, tell him.
oh, look, bro, I'm shaking of
Nah.
meeting Miguel, bro. Nah, I got it off my homie at the Thai bar. Yeah, he got an engine intake and he lost.
Got it. Okay. Got it.
I'll give you free lunch, and I'll do something else. He's like, I'll take it. And so I was like, here, Alex.
Fast guy or what?
Not me.
You? Fast guy?
He's fast guy.
You fast guy for sure?
Faster than this guy.
Fast guy for sure?
This guy's fast.
Dang, we go.
Nah, bro, I'm slow.
We gotta see about that, bro.
I'm slow. Yeah.
I see.
I don't know. I keep
This is clean. Let's sell it.
Sell it, bro.
This dude took me out the game. Thing's clean. Dang, you got all this hooked up, huh, bro?
Yeah.
Sheesh. Dang, that's clean, bro.
Thanks, man.
I follow you on Instagram.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I'm just doing a little vlog right now, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's
I
your
think it's
Instagram?
clean, bro.
Am I following you?
Oh, yes. Imagine once he gets a beard, so
How does it feel to be fast, man?
I know, right?
Hey, how about you? You.
What's the fastest
How
guy here?
does it feel to be fast, bro?
Nah, bro.
I figure you're gonna get out there. Sweat and blood.
Heck nah, man. You fucking beat my shit.
The only thing I own on this car is this lug nut. That's how much my work is worth. Not the hardest part of this car.
Smell it. I know. I think it's like right there, like right in the middle, huh? Yeah. Like right here.
What?
Like, yeah.
Yeah.
Miguel, why are you running open headers?
Sounds cool, bro.
What's up, Miguel DSM?
Hey, what's up?
What's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's good?
Hey, man. I gotta go.
Alright, bro. See you later. Bring it back in one piece. DSM for giving me this. That shit looks clean. And it smells good too. Thanks, bro. You're over there somewhere.
Ready vlog, bro?
Alright, bro. You have a good one. Catch you later. Alright, Miguel. Nice meeting you, bro.
Likewise, bro.
Alright, bro.
Take care, dude.
Alright, man. Alright, bro. Nice meeting you. You have a good one. Alright, buddy. The sick ass fools are leaving. Jeez, calm down, homegirl. Hey, marry me. What's up, brothers? That concludes this vlog for today. It was a pretty cool turnout. I got to meet Miguel DSM. Got to meet these guys too. SoCal DSM. Follow them at SoCal DSM.
Hell yeah.
And
See
thank
you
you
guys
guys
at
for
the
the
next
for
meet.
the meet.
Thank you for
Appreciate it.
coming.
All right, man. I'll see you guys later. So, guys, that is it for today's vlog. It was SoCal DSM's first meet that they ever threw. Not a lot of cars showed up, but I got to meet and talk to a lot of cool people. And also, I met Miguel DSM. He is a super cool guy, super down to earth dude. And actually, it was my first time seeing his DSM in person. And for that car being like 20 to 21 year old, that thing is super clean inside and out, super mint. But yeah, guys, let me know if you guys want the videos longer, or if you want them shorter, or if you guys want more car content like the cars specifically, or if you guys want me to talk more, or both, because I really appreciate you guys' feedback and I want to know what I can do to make the videos better so you guys can enjoy them even more. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.